Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a post from Facebook. Just a quick heads up here, you won't be able to remove other people's posts, all right? The only option you have if you are maybe irritated from a post of other people or page, just go ahead and tap the three dots right here. And as you can see, you have the option to hide post and hide all from the particular person. You can just go ahead and use that so that you won't be able to hear from them again or see whatever they post. And you also have this option right here, which is news for 30 days. All right, going back to the topic, let's go ahead and tap on a profile, which is right here, or by the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Just tap on it and again, see your profile. Tap on it. And here you're going to want to scroll down until you find the specific post. All right, for example, here, this one. In order to delete the post, just go ahead and tap on the three dots again, tap on it. And as you can see, you have two options here. If you want to, you can move it to your archive, or if you want to delete it permanently, just tap on move to trash. All right, items in your trash are deleted after 30 days. Just go ahead and use this one and hit on move. That particular post will be deleted in 30 days. That's basically how you delete something or a post in Facebook. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.